castor oil. Castor oil. What's castor oil? Isn't that
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yo. You like you say things we so.
What's up, guys? I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good
For
time.
a long time.
We are here for a good time and a long time. Today we got a special video for you guys today, and it is called
Jamaican Remedies for Sickness.
So when you're sick, man, know your grandmother used to tell you to do this. Your grandmother used to
used to
give
do it
this.
for you?
Yeah, some weird things. We've seen
Some popular ones and then some weird ones that we've never seen before.
So comment down below right now which ones you think they are. Comment down below which ones you know, which ones you've been through, which ones you have seen. Do you see if it worked or not? Comment down below right now. Before we get started, notification gang, notification squad, comment down below right now. Notification notification zoom, notification lens, notification Pringles.
Notification what?
Lens. I tried to put a lens, that's a lens. Before we get started on this video, just go ahead and smash the like button for this video. I want to say thank you guys. If you want to be a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe right now. And we're going to get right into the video.
We're gonna start with a popular one. So Cersei tea for washout.
Cheese and peas.
I used to have that in my like in the garden. I don't know if you can
Yeah, like
people
people
call it garden because it's like a bush.
Yeah, it's like everywhere.
Yeah.
And you know, back to school, we used to have back to school.
That's the worst
Oh my
thing.
god, them used to be a washout.
Yeah, because that's why you eat all that crap during summer. You have to wash out fresh for school.
Me say, me bottom start hurt.
That's the worst tasting thing ever.
Yeah, it tastes really bad.
No way.
But still, I drink it. Cersei tea.
That reminds me, I have peppermint tea.
Yeah, we're gonna get some right.
I'm gonna drink some after this.
Yeah.
Speaking of peppermint tea, the next one is ginger tea for stomach aches.
Ginger tea, that is normal because
I drink that even.
Drink some tea. Drink some tea.
It's always peppermint tea, ginger tea, Cersei tea.
Yeah, like
always those three.
yeah, man.
But I love ginger tea.
Yeah, even when you like have like regular cold and things
Or like
that,
cramps.
drink some cramps and stuff like that. Drink some tea. Go drink some tea.
No, you're an old lady. Okay, the next one is aloe vera to like cleanse your stomach. So I guess that's kind of like a washout too.
Yeah.
So they would give you like a spoon.
Yeah, have you ever tried it?
No.
Yeah.
I tried it in, like on my skin.
It's not the best thing to taste.
like slimy.
It's one of the worst.
It's like you cut it in half and then you scoop it out.
So, you know already. You know already.
It's not so, it's slimy, so I don't think I could eat it. But and you can put it in like
the
your
first
hair.
time I had it, was like, what the hell is this shit? Like it tastes nasty.
You can put it in your hair, I think, for dandruff.
And
I don't remember if it's.
I think if I remember, I think it's very sticky too.
No.
Like when you cut in it, yeah.
Imagine just having like a spoon of that.
No, that.
Next one is castor oil for castor oil. Castor oil. Castor oil. What's castor oil? Isn't that something else?
Castor oil, let me put it in your hair.
No. You take castor oil, a spoon of castor oil for deworming.
Deworming, there you go. Yeah, that is true.
So you normally get that before you go back to school too.
Yeah, that's another. This is too much back to school thing. Oh, I'm going to
Next one, I never really heard about this one, but I guess. So it's cola nut, and that's for food poisoning.
Cola nut. What is that?
So apparently it's like a nut that you grate. And then you boil it.
And boil it.
And then you sweeten it and drink it. So that's like if you eat something that like upset your stomach or they believe that's like poison to your stomach, they give you that.
Another thing you can drink is Andrews.
Well, that would be not the herbal way.
I mean, Andrews, if you guys don't know what Andrews is.
And for hangovers, Andrews.
Hangovers, if you have a hangover or a hangover, drink some Andrews.
Chad should know.
Yeah.
When I went to Jamaica was it 2 years ago?
2 years ago, vomited and everything.
Chad was taking shots, was drinking drinks, was doing all these kind of things. The next day,
yep.
disappeared, couldn't find him.
Think me a bad man. I start take the shot them. When you drink vodka and Appleton and mix the two, I eat that. Your life is
So
over.
now we always have Andrews.
Yeah, so everywhere I go, I will have a Andrews. Even when I'm drinking, and then when I get home, I try to drink it.
Yeah, when we used to go out, we used to have the Andrews ready by the time we come home.
Keyword, we used to go out.
Yeah, we're old now. Next one is tamarind leaves for chicken pox. So,
Tamarind leaves.
So it's like they fill the bath with water and then they put the tamarind leaves in it. So if you have chicken pox, then you soak your body in chicken.
Yo, I've never heard of that. That's crazy.
I never heard of that one either.
I wonder if it works. Comment down below if you
That's
think
probably
that
like
works.
an old.
Yeah, that must be some old remedy.
Next one is pepper leaves and cake soap for boils.
Wash my face with the cake.
So I guess you rub. I don't know if
And
you
what
boil
was it? What's it do for?
It's for boils, like you know, boils.
Oh, yo, I had one boil. It was the worst boil of my life. You know the boil, and it just sit there and it will go out for days.
No, and then like sometimes I get filled
that.
with like
I used to hate that.
Is it pus or what? I don't know.
What used to
Water?
cause? I forgot what that used to cause. Like how it happened. Like I mean,
I'm
hot
not
water,
too sure
right?
how you do that.
Was it hot water catch on your
Like
hand?
yeah, if you hot something hot like hot oil.
Yeah, iron or something like that. Yeah.
It's like
That's crazy because when I had one, it was like, oh my god, it was the worst thing. And when it busts, because then it turns into sometimes it will turn into pus.
It's like it's pus or it's water. That
No,
it
it turns into a water. But when you bust it, turns into
yeah,
water.
but you're not supposed to burst it. I think it's supposed to like burst on its own.
It bursts on its own. That's the thing. It bursts. It bursts on its own, and then it will get pussy.
Thank God I haven't had many of those. Next one. The heart of the soursop. So you guys know like when you open the soursop, you see the little middle part that you don't normally eat?
Yeah.
So they used to give kids that wet their bed. I'm not sure why.
How? Like, how does that work? Like
So
that?
they believe that when they eat the heart of the soursop, they stop wetting their bed.
Oh my god.
That's another old.
Oh my
Because now
god.
you just get beaten.
Oh my god. Yeah man. Yeah man, you just get beaten on this. I eat that. No, but that's crazy. Never heard of that. I wonder if it worked. Comment down below right now.
Okay, so this one is another funny one. It's like, okay, so for kids that when they're growing up, they took long to talk, they would literally fry the chicken bati and give them to eat. So that's where you get, when you talk too much,
yeah, you have too much chicken bati.
Chicken bati.
What you doing? Yam chak it. Yam chak it.
Chicken bati?
Yeah, yam chak and bati.
Chicken bati. So they would give the kids that.
You yam too much chicken bati. You yam
So
too
like
much
you,
chicken bati.
Him eat too much chicken bati. I didn't chat too much.
Bonus one because I believe in this one. This one actually happened to me, and I strongly believe this works. I actually had white spots on my face, like little, like they were saying it was like wingworm spots in my face, and then
That's from being rude and being dirty.
playing with dirty water, and you know little wingworm in the water. Like lad, I'm splash up in it, and yeah, I was young,
And it just
so I was,
happened to be on your face.
and it ended up on my face. You know what they used? They used a young ackee. They slice open the ackee and rub it on my face, and I literally, I'm not lying to you, people, I'm not lying to you. That thing went away in 2 days. It just disappeared. So I strongly say you must use hockey.
Well, I'm hoping you're not getting fungus on your face. Not in this day and age. And I'm sure they wouldn't use the ackee. I'm sure there's a lot.
Yeah, no, I strongly suggest if you do have like a fungus or something, try to use it in a young ackee.
Oh my god.
It will work.
Okay, so the last but not least is for open wounds that wouldn't heal, they would put screw worms on top of the wound, and the worms would like eat the dead flesh, and then
But that would not get in your body?
no, they eat the dead flesh on the wound, and then it would give it a chance to heal fresh.
No, man.
But they're using that now. Now they're using maggots on wounds. So, like when you have an open wound and they want it to heal, they put a group of maggots on the cut, and then they eat the dead flesh around it.
No,
And then it heals quicker
No.
because it don't have that dead
I'm sorry.
flesh on it.
I'm sorry. A flesh shadow.
But I'm using that nowadays.
That's crazy. No, Danielle, no.
I'm gonna show you a video after.
No, me no want to see no video. Me no want to see
I have a video, guys. I'm gonna send you the link. I was watching that the other day.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button right now.
Comment, share, subscribe.
Comment, share, subscribe.
Okay.
I'm too hyper right now.
Hyper right now.
I'm really hyper right now, guys.
Oh my god, so it's time for notification squad.
First notification shout out goes to
Casey's Universe.
Casey's Universe. Big up your damn self. We're going over Danielle's head top right here.
The next one is Shamora McCallum.
Shamora McCallum, big up your damn self. We're going right over here.
And last but not least is Priscilla Abilio, I believe.
Priscilla, big up your damn self. You're going right over here. Thank you guys so much for being notification gang. If you want to be a part of notification gang, what do you do, Danielle?
You gotta hit that bell, but you gotta like the video.
Yeah, she lost her.
I forget how to be notified.
Then you comment down below notification gang, scan. Notification gang, notification squad, notification notification boom bang, notification pregos, notification DC.
Notification is a boy, notification is a girl.
T-boy, T-girl, comment down below right now, guys. I want to say big thank you guys for so much support we've been getting. We want to say it. We really appreciate it. We look at every comment, people. We look at every comment. So we just go so boop. If you get a like, you know we see it, and boop 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 boop.
Oh my god. And we took a break from our pregnancy videos, but we'll have our ultrasound coming up and our gender reveals.
So you're gonna see that.
Keep tuned.
Keep tuned.
Stay tuned.
Keep tuned.
Keep
tuned. Keep tuned. I like that. Keep tuned.
Keep tuned.
We should name our baby Keep tuned.
That's not gonna happen.
Comment down below what baby name you want us to name the baby right now. Comment down below and we are gonna sign off. Until next time.
Sign off.
We see you later. We see you manana. We see you. Alright, me gone.
Me a figure out your style, them now. Oh yeah.